Hi students, in this video we are going to learn exercise number 14.4 correcting the errors in the statement. So when you are learning, don't skip the videos while you are watching. If you skip and watching, no, you will not understand anything. Watch it each and every step, that will help you in future. Look at the 15th problem. A minus 4 and A minus 2. The answer is given as A squared minus 8. They did A into A squared. 4 2s are 8 is written. Actually this is a wrong way. This is a wrong sentence only given. We have to correct it now. So how to correct this one? So first here we have to multiply A minus 4 and A minus 2. So the first term A should be multiplied with this A minus 2. That is A into A minus 2. Next we have to multiply this minus 4 with the second term. That is minus 4 into A minus 2 we have to write. Both the terms should be multiplied with this A minus 2. First A should be multiplied, then the minus 4 should be multiplied. Now A into A squared. A into 2, 2A minus is there, so minus 2A. Minus 4 into A, minus 4A. Minus 4 into minus 2, minus into minus plus, 4 2s are 8. Now A squared only one term, write as it is. 2A, 4A, both are like terms. Minus 2A minus 4A. When we are adding, minus 6A plus 8. This is the correct one, but here they have given us wrongly. Now let's move on to the next question. Look at the 16th question now. 3x squared by 3x is equal to 0 is given. Definitely this is wrong only. Because when we are doing 3x squared minus 3x squared, definitely it will come to 0. When we are dividing, it will get cancelled. This is one time. The answer should be 1. 3x squared by 3x squared means 3 ones are will get cancelled. X squared and x squared also will get cancelled by one time. So 1 is the correct answer. 0 we cannot take during the division. Now coming to question number 17. 3x squared plus 1 by 3x squared is a question. So according to the statement, they have cancelled the 3x squared. They have written 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Definitely we can't do like this, because 3x squared cannot be cancelled while we are getting a addition sign or a subtraction sign. When it is in multiplication sign, we can cancel it easily, but during the addition, we cannot cancel it for one term. What it means? 3x squared, which is a denominator, that is common for the terms which is given in the numerator. This is common for this as well as for this. So we have to write like this. 3x squared by 3x squared plus 1 by 3x squared. Like this we have to split first. After the splitting only we can cancel. This 3x squared will get cancelled. The answer is 1. This one we can't do anything. So 1 plus 1 by 3x squared is the correct answer. This one we cannot write. Coming to the next question. 3x by 3x plus 2. Here we can't do anything, because 3 by 3x plus 2, it's already in simplified form only. So here we cannot take 3x by 3x plus 2. That way it's impossible. When the numerator having the multiple terms, denominator is given with 1, we can take it for all the terms separately. But here the denominator given with many, numerator is only one term, we can't do anything. So the answer will be the same only. 3x by 3x plus 2 is the answer. That is simplified only. We'll move on to the question number 19 now. Here look at the question, 19th question, like your 18th question only. Because numerator only one term, denominator is binomial is given. So here we have dictated this 3x squared is common for the first term as well as for the second term. With split we have written. But that is not possible while it's given in the denominator. The denominator we cannot take 3 by and 3 by, we should not take. That is impossible in mathematics. So this is already in simplified form only. We can't do anything. We can leave the problem as it is. This one we cannot write. This one is possible. Now look at the question. 4x plus 5 by 4x is a question. Now the denominator value is common for both the terms which is in numerator. So we can write 4x by 4x plus 5 by 4x. This is possible only when the numerator having many terms. Now 4x and 4x will get cancelled. So one time. Plus 5 by 4x we can't do anything. So we can leave the problem as it is. This is your correct answer. Now we'll move on to the last problem of this exercise. Question number 21. Now the denominator 5 is given, that is common for both the terms which is given in the numerator. So we can write 7x by 5 plus 5 by 5 we can take. 5 by 5 will get cancelled, answer is 1. So the value is 7x by 5 plus 1 is the correct answer. but here something is missing. According to the statement, they have cancelled the 5, they have written only the 7x. That is not possible at all. During when you are having the addition sign or a subtraction sign, the cancellation is not possible at all. After taking the common term, we can cancel, but without taking any common terms, we cannot cancel. The statement is wrong. Actual answer is 7x by 5 plus 1 is your correct answer. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, leave your comment in the comment box. Thank you.